Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, I am here at PF Chains. I am dumb late. I came here on time. I came here like 2 minutes after the pickup time, but starting this video hella late, starting everything hella late. But I'm currently here at PF Chains, you guys. I accepted a stacked order going for $12.81, 2.7 miles. My first customer wants 2 items. And my second customer wants 5 items. And yeah, you guys, I'm here. Both of the pickup times were a few minutes ago, so I'm about to head inside, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications so you find every single time your girl put her videos. And yeah, I'm picking up for Christian and Xrus, is that his name? I'm picking up for... So this is for Xrus right here, you guys. Woo, child. This is for Xrus, and he got this and a drink. This is a lot of food for Xrus, so I wonder where they at. I'm gonna take the drink out the bag and put this in my cup holder, and everything else it's gonna stay right here, and then I'm about to go inside and grab the next order, y'all. Alright you guys, this is Christian's order right here. It took hella long to get it because she's like, oop, forgot Christian's order. But yeah, the order's ready, you guys. I'm hella minutes after the pickup time. I'm probably like 10 minutes after the pickup time. Anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. This is a Carmise customer delivery. They're at a hotel. And yeah, I'll see you guys once I get there. Child, it's the $2.31 tip for me. It's the $4.81 total for me. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. But anyways, you guys, I'm heading over to my second customer. This is also a Carmise customer delivery, and they are 4 minutes away. I'm also late to this customer, so I'm late to everybody today.
Hello. How you doing? Oh, okay. Thank you. The tip's on the thing, right?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. I only did those 2 deliveries from earlier today, and it's been slow this whole entire time, you guys. But here are some orders I've been declining. Alright you guys, my order is ready for Christian. Alright you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. They're 5 minutes away, but they're supposed to be closer, but there's hella traffic going to my customer's house, so I'm still 5 minutes away, you guys. Contactless delivery. Alright you guys, I'm on my way to McDonald's right now. I accepted an order going for $8.50, 3.9 miles. A customer literally wants 13 items. And yeah you guys, I'm literally like 3 minutes away and my pickup time is also in 3 minutes. $2.93. Alright you guys, got my order. I can't believe it was so packed in there. I thought it was gonna be like damn near empty because of the weather, but it was so packed in there. They didn't even start my order until minutes after I arrived there. Anyways you guys, I'm heading over to my customer, contactless delivery, 7 minutes away. Alright you guys. These chairs look occupied, so I'm just gonna place it in this dry area right here, all nice and dry. All nice and dry. I'm gonna take my picture and then dip. The sun is starting to peek out you guys, so the rain will be gone anytime soon, probably another hour. But anyways you guys, I'm currently on my way to It's Just Wings, which is located inside of Chili's. For all my new dashers or whatever watching my videos, It's Just Wings is located inside of Chili's. I'm on my way there right now you guys. I'm about to pull up. I accepted the order going for $8.50, 6.5 miles. Anyways you guys, I'm pulling up right now. My pickup time is in 7 minutes, so hopefully my order is ready soon. Parking lot is still packed regardless of the weather. It is Friday, people are out regardless of the weather, so yeah.
Nope. Who's supposed to be watching the rock? You are.
These don't look okay. Alright you guys, the rain definitely died down. The sun is starting to peek out. This is absolutely amazing. This is the rainbow after the storm. My order was already ready by the pickup time. This is a contactless delivery and my customer is, sheesh, my customer is 12 minutes away. Seems like there's traffic on the highway. I don't even think I should go on the highway. Should I look for an alternative route? Alright you guys, I'll take my picture and then ring the bell. Alright you guys, I'm currently on my way to PF Change right now. There was $1.50 paid. I accepted the order going for $11.50, 8.7 miles. Anyways you guys, my customer wants 4 items. And yeah, my pickup time is in 10 minutes. I'll see you guys once I get inside. And yeah. I'm picking up for Tracy.
Tracy?
Yeah.
Let me hear that. Pickup order?
Yeah, for Tracy. Alright you guys, I have my order right here. I got it 3 minutes after the pickup time. I'm about to head over to my customer. This is a contactless delivery and they are 12 minutes away. I'm on my way from my customer's house and this Grubhub offer pops up going for $16.06. $16.06 at McDonald's. I was like, what? anyways, you guys, I'm currently 9 minutes away now, so yeah, I'll see you guys once I get inside. Baby, the order's still being done. Alright, you guys, just got my order. Hella late. Hella late. I was literally standing in there for a good 10 minutes, but I'm heading over to my customer, you guys. This is a hand to customer delivery. They are 9 minutes away. Problem. You too. Alright, you guys, I'm here at Advertised Kitchen. I accepted an order going for $10, 5 miles. My customer wants 7 items. This is in the door. Well, I'm picking up for Daniel. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. I'm about to head over to my customer, you guys. They're 12 minutes away, contactless delivery. And yeah, I'll see you guys once I get there.
Oh, I think it's right there. What's the name? Dan
Oh, Daniel.
Yeah, it's right over here.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were
That's okay.
Daniel.
No, I just watch it my kids.
Oh, so should I just continue?
I could give it to him.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No worries.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.